Hello ladies and gentlemen. Dear friends, first please like and subscribe to our channel. Today we talk about 2024 Ford Mustang. The Mustang will enter its 7th generation with sales beginning in summer 2024. The new design brings the Mustang some desperately needed updates. Amid its many style and powertrain changes is a fresh roster of offerings for those with a true need for speed. Both Mustang GT and EcoBoost models will offer an optional Performance Pack equipment upgrade. The Performance Pack adds a front strut tower brace, Torsen limited slip differential, wider wheels and tires, larger Brembo brakes, and a Magna Ride active dampening suspension. Optional Recaro buckets and an active exhaust are also available for the performance-minded. Additionally, Ford offers a performance electronic parking brake that looks like a traditional lever-action handbrake and is said to make the Mustang easier to drift. An all-new Mustang Dark Horse track-ready model has also been added to the ranks, toting a more sinister 500 horsepower Coyote V8 engine and a direct line to the Ford Performance parts bin with leaner and meaner equipment upgrades. The last generation's Coyote V8 produced 450 horsepower with 420 pound-feet of torque, so fingers crossed Ford sweetens its new steed with a little extra giddy-up. The all-new Mustang Dark Horse model is a track-focused step-up based on the GT that uses a 500 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 with either a 10-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual. Ford said the heart of this engine contains connecting rods from the 760 horsepower Mustang Shelby GT 500 plus a revised intake system. That's all, we'll wait for the next year, when Dark Horse will be on sale.